Polkastarter is currently trading at $3.73. Its ticker is POLS with a market cap of $310 million. So guys, before trading or hodling Polkastarter, what is Polkastarter? Polkastarter is a blockchain platform designed to provide an easy-to-use launchpad for cross-chain token pools and auctions. It is most commonly used by an early-stage blockchain projects that want to raise capital and easily distribute their tokens at the same time. So if you guys want to get part of this cryptocurrency, what platforms are they on? Binance, Global, Uniswap, KuCoin, Get.io, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Poloniex, OKX. So there are multiple platforms for you to trade or hodl. You guys can learn more about that. Let's see if there's a price rating. And so far, no price rating, guys. That's fine. I just tell you that if you guys look at price ratings, I prefer cryptocurrencies with them, but some don't have them without, if there's a lot of information about the cryptocurrency. And this is some news. I found some news that really was cool about this whole land sale stuff. We'll check this out. So the metaverse land sales come to Polkadot via Polkastarter. So this is according to the company's announcement. The first NFT metaverse land sale will take place next week on Polkastarter. So that's huge news, guys. So please, if you guys want to learn more about it, you can read the full article down here, Crypto Slate. I'll have all this posted below so you guys can learn more about it. Now let's check out their website, polkastarter.com. Has all the stuff on here, all the other projects that you guys can see that they're launching on here. So please check that out. Also, when it comes to Polkastarter, look at their their Twitter page, 600,000 followers, and I do have some news on that right here. So they have this you're in a poll when it comes to this racing league. So they have a lot of platforms that they're launching on there. So please, this is really cool. I like things that are actually having utilities. Cryptos aren't just memes. They're actually real. They have actually real substance, some real like online use. You know, I like that stuff like that. But you know, guys, please check me out on Twitter, Andre Mcclendon also. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So this price prediction is fun. I like this because this cryptocurrency has been moving really nicely. It's not like dynamic or like one line to the roof and come back down. It's actually kind of been building. Like you look at this $1 level, it's been building slowly, building up. People taking profits, building up. People taking profits, building up, taking profits, building up, taking massive profits, and slowing back down. So it might head back down a little bit, but I think the overall trend is up. And we might retest that $2 and I'm sorry, that $5.42 level. So I'm gonna make it easier, $5.50. That's my price prediction is $5.50 because this thing is keep on going. I think it's gonna add a lot more value to their platform. But let's see how I will get with this. When it comes to this entry, I'd rather, if I was gonna trade it, I would get down here. That October level, September level, that is way cleaner for trading. But all the spiky stuff, no. That's gonna be a straight hodl position. So off the bat, since my plan is hodling and my goal is $5.50, my first thing I will do is enter off of market. Now I'm making a zone right here. I will bring it up a little bit, guys, so you guys can see. Hope that makes it easier for you guys. So here we're currently at $3.72. For me, I will be buying a market, and if it goes down, it is fine because I'm hodling and I'm not trading, so I'm worried about getting stopped out so badly and getting margin call and stuff all that. But my goal, since it's $5.50, I'm going to be entering and placing price alerts, and if it keeps on going down, I'm going to enter on basically next week. So I basically enter every single Friday or once a week with $100 for my $500 paycheck. That's the example I always use, and I'll enter in once a week. And that weekly income, the weekly entrance will allow me to, cup that the curve, so I can dollar cost average higher on that, so I don't have to worry about just waiting on one position, and it give me the whole FOMO, all the emotional stuff of trading. And so if I hit $5.50, I can take off some profits and leave that trade running. I want my original capital out, so this is a risk-free trade. And then if it moves back down, it like collapses, it'll just stop me out of my trade, and then I'm leaving with a positive gain on this trade. And that's how I want to approach it. Weekly entries. I know my entry, I know my exit. I know that I'm not being emotional about the trading. I know how I can plan this out. And if I'm wrong, it's fine. It's trading. I don't want to risk more than 2.4% of my account. I know, so when it comes to trading, guys, you guys gotta know these numbers. You don't want to be jumping in, because trading is a game of rules. Don't break this rule. Don't break that rule. Don't dive 100% on this trade. Allocate your portfolio to here, here, and here. So if silver and gold go up and this asset class goes down, you can balance out. You can get dividend income. So this is making an analogy that you guys got to balance yourself out. Don't throw everything into one cryptocurrency. Understand that you got to take profits. Don't hold on forever. Some people have never taken profits off like Bitcoin. That would drive me nuts. You know, Bitcoin going back down to zero. I mean, we'll say they can't. But you don't want to be in a position where you're buying at like 20,000 and now it's at zero. That's a huge loss. So for me, guys, I always take profits, get my original money out, and then I keep that in there, and then I'll let it run. So if you have any question or comments how I came to that analogy or I came to that price point of $5.50, let me know. I can break it down even more. But let's get to my website, guys, AndreJMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about learn more about MetaTrader 4 programming, MetaTrader 5 program, let me know. We can have a conversation on how I can help you out with your indicators or whatever you guys are making. We can go over that. Also, if you want to look at my crypto portion right here, we have some conversations about that. Such a free stock account and stuff. And also, if you're looking for education when it comes to Forex, stocks, and financial education, I have that whole entire course right there for you. I can do it live, and also I can do it with recorded videos. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.